guys! Recording this for the millionth time now. I'm here with Melly.
Hey guys!
And we're depressed because we did this for a million times. Okay, so as you can see, she got a new den. It's called the Greeley's Hideout. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay.
It's just big, but I like it. It's like fun to go around and just get lost for some reason. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I love being lost. Yeah, everybody likes being lost once in a while, you know. So we're doing a series called Randomness, and in this series we're gonna be doing random stuff, and because it's just called a randomness. Like in the last episode of me recording my voice called Randomness, my voice with her, we decided that we're gonna do a series called Randomness, so it's gonna be randomness episodes, but not every single episode. So yeah, right? Okay. It's recording. So the narwhal horns apparently go on their nose, and it looks very inappropriate and weird. Poke. 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 Okay. We're gonna play best presented. Do you wanna play? No?
Yeah, I want to play.
Okay.
Presented.
What?
Wait, I think the dinner party's on. I'm going to the dinner party. I really want to go to the dinner party.
Okay, calm yourself. Ready, set, go! Okay. When it loads forever. Let's get free food. You wanna get free food? Cause I'm getting free food. I'm getting me some burger. Burgers! Eat them all. Oh, eat all the burgers. I got a burger. And I ate all of them too. You should really get something to eat. Count Dracula. Why you leave me? Why you leave me? In the arms of the angel. Okay. Yo! See? We have problems. I have problems. She has problems too. We all have problems.
It's all good.
Yeah! Yeah. I'm gonna get me some more food. I'm gonna get some cake. I'm gonna get some donuts. I'm gonna eat all of them. I'm gonna get me some milkshakes. My milkshake brings all the boy to the yard. There ain't it better than yours. Gotta take all the ice cream. Gotta take all the burgers. Gonna take all the food. So there's not gonna be any left. So go get some before they're all gone. Yeah. I'm gonna sit on your seat. Ha. Sit on your seat. Yum yum.
I finally figured out my den.
You figured out how to make it?
The way to different places.
I'm going to your den. I'm a rhino, by the way. So, oh my god. Rhino, go mad. Where are you? Are you at Greeley's face?
No.
No. Are you at the stairs? Just kidding. Because there's like millions of stairs. I found you! I found you! I like this. I like this area. This is my favorite area. And the first place where you... Okay, bye guys. Sorry about that. Bye.